approved in the masjids, if it's not approved on the campuses, and if it's not approved in the private homes of individual families, well, then your business venture is going to fail, and it's going to fail epically. Because the truth of the matter, anyway, is that all of your products are basically mediocre anyway. You know, you convince people that logos matter more, or that a logo equates to quality, but we're not that stupid. Most of the products that you're selling in the global south are made in the global south, and they're made in the same factories that produce the goods that have your logo on it. Those are the same factories that produce the pirated version of those goods, and they're exactly the same, except that they cost a fraction of the price. And you don't get any revenue from the so-called fake versions. All we lose is the logo. So in reality, your products not only don't have values, they don't even have value. You know, no moral value and no real material value. So we don't need any of them. So you better at least start adding moral value to your goods. Otherwise, you're going to lose the whole market. That's the new paradigm. And this is important to understand, because this isn't just, you know, an emotional reflex that you're seeing. This isn't just a knee-jerk, helpless reaction to the Palestinian issue, to the Palestinian suffering in Gaza. This isn't going to fade away. This is an anti-imperialist, anti-colonialist movement that's starting here. This is not going to fade away over time. It's going to get more organized over time, and it's going to get more militant. It's going to take on the character of a liberation struggle, a national independence movement in country after country. And as powerful as they are, companies are actually incredibly vulnerable. Every company, no matter how big it is, no matter how successful it is, no matter how rich it is, every company is always teetering on the edge of collapse at any moment. They're all right on the edge, and it just takes a little shove from the public to send them plummeting into insolvency.